Hello and welcome to another video project on Alfa Restoration YouTube channel. Today's video presents the repair works on the Alfa 33 alternator. The fact that the alternator is in good working order is when the output is at 14 volts or the warning light goes off when the engine revs exceed 1300 RPM. In my case, the warning light was always off, which revealed that something is really wrong with the alternator. Let's find out what is at fault. With the key turned to the starting position, the alternator warning bulb should light up. Since this is not the case, then we can conclude the problem should be with the rectifier bridge, as occasionally the alternator warning light was glowing dim. For the history, the alternator had been reconditioned a few years ago. Remove the voltage regulator and inspect the brushes which should not be worn out. Then undo the 4 long bolts which actually keep the alternator two halves together. Remove the rotor so that the rectifier bridge is revealed. With a soldering gun, unsolder the stator 3 wires from the rectifier bridge. The alternator is an AC 3-phase generator, hence the 3 wires. The rectifier bridge is responsible to convert AC to DC following the basic principles of AC to DC current conversion, and the voltage regulator is responsible to keep DC voltage to a fixed value regardless of the engine RPMs. Once the new rectifier bridge is soldered to the stator, we can install the complete assembly to the alternator rear case. The rotor with the alternator front case is then fixed to the rear case, and the 4 screws can fix everything together. We will now do bench testing to see if the repair was successful. The alternator wiring plug features 3 spade connectors, with the 2 being the positive to the battery and starter motor, and the third one, which usually is the smaller spade, used for the instrument cluster warning light. We will hook everything up and see if the warning bulb lights up. If I had the tools to rotate the alternator more than 1500 RPMs, then theoretically the warning light would have come off. Typically, a power tool has maximum speed of around 1000 RPMs, which is insufficient for the testing, hence the only way to do the test is on the vehicle. Restore the cooling fan and pulley, and then proceed in installing the reconditioned alternator to the vehicle. The repairs have successfully resolved the no charging case on the Alfa 33 alternator. Hopefully, this repair will last for the years to come. Stay tuned on the channel for the next episode, which covers the Alfa 33 driveshaft repair works.